Hey guys. So hi, I just woke up and I'm with my Ollie. So they finally have finished um this section almost. So bago pa nahuman ang kaning diri nga part. So these are going to be the steps, or I don't know what they call this. But mo siya ang kanang driveway someday mo palitag car kariton. But yeah, so diri and also I'm so happy because ang gate na installed na jud, fully installed, and it's completely working. Wait lang, I'm struggling kina si Ollie. So, siya. Muna ang eksena. Sorry. Di siya pwede pang balikod. Di siya pwede pakuha na day. So, muna tsura. And that one will be open. But I think isara mong i-open most of the time. I think we're just gonna open one section for the scooter kay wala ba car, so motor lang. So I have friends who have cars, so pag mga nisa diri mabisita, they will be using this one. They're gonna park their car here, then I could open this one like that. No, di siya, no, so ano siya, I don't know how it works, but yeah. Wait lang, anak dagay. Okay. So yun na siya pag open, fully opened, and tsada na siya. Ganahan ko. And Ollie's safe inside pag i-close na ang gate. So he could roam around the garden. Wala problem. So I'm gonna show you the garden part. Just some section. So this area. Come on, move closer. Padolta. So muna mo ang sort of mini garden. And I'm actually waiting for this plant na mo produce og fruit. It's actually a fruit, passion fruit. So nakulat ko mo gawas na siya, but I don't think mo kanang tawagan eh. Mamunga siya kaya wala pa man siya sign of bunga. Then ang yaka nga mo gikat half, most half, then nitubo na siya, still growing. So lemongrass, the usual, calamansi, and kanisha is one of my favorite herbs nga daghan kay food ani sa Thailand. Like most of the Thai food ba? Basta a lot of Thai food nga mo ang ginagamit. So nasa lay sikat nga kanang dish called pad krapao. So that's ground pork with holy basil, and mo siya. Yeah, so what can you say, Ollie? No. No? No work. But anyway, mura to. Akong update. Chika-chika ra to. I don't know. Saan ka na? So, yeah. Thank you. Bye.